In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll know exactly how to convert a PDF into a Word document, an Excel spreadsheet, a PowerPoint presentation, or a set of images with the right settings for your needs. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat and loading the PDF you want to export. Make sure you're using Adobe Acrobat, not the free reader, since the full export options live in Acrobat. Once your document is open, you have two simple ways to get to the export tools. You can go to the top and choose Tools, then select Export PDF. Or, if you prefer the traditional menu path, click File and then Export To. Both routes take you to the same export panel, so use whichever feels more natural. When the export panel appears, you'll see several format choices. Pick the one that matches your goal. Choose Word if you need to edit paragraphs and text formatting. Excel is best for data tables you want to sort or analyze. PowerPoint works well for creating editable slides from a report or deck. If you only need the visuals, select Image to create JPEGs or PNGs of pages or specific elements. Choosing the right format here saves time later. After selecting a format, look for a small gear icon or a settings link. This is optional, but it's where you can fine-tune the output. For Word, you might keep layout accuracy high to preserve columns and spacing. For Excel, check table recognition settings so columns and headers come across cleanly. For images, choose the resolution and quality that balance clarity with file size. Higher DPI looks better but creates larger files. If Acrobat notices that your PDF is a scan, it may prompt to recognize text so your exported file is searchable and editable. Confirm the language if asked to improve accuracy. When you're ready, click Export or Save. Choose a destination you'll remember, give the file a clear name so it's easy to identify, and click Save to finish. Your original PDF remains untouched, and the new file is created in the format you selected. Depending on your settings, it may open automatically, or you can navigate to the folder you chose and open it manually. It's a good idea to skim the result for formatting and layout. If something looks off, revisit the export settings and try again with a different option. That's all there is to it. With these steps, exporting a PDF in Adobe Acrobat is quick, flexible, and tailored to whatever you need next.